Before I tell you about the guaranteed mortgage quote, I want you to experience the terror, stress, and confusion that most borrowers face when applying for a home mortgage or mortgage refi loan. Warning: this is not going to be pretty. Responding to advertising, recommendations from friends, realtors, attorneys, and just plain random selection, the hopeful borrower begins shopping for a mortgage. Barraged with facts and figures involving rates, costs, and available program options, the buyer soon feels buried in too much information that all starts to sound the same. Which mortgage to choose? Eventually, through analysis or surrender, the buyer selects a mortgage originator, and the process grows more intense from there. It all begins with good news from the mortgage loan officer. Congratulations, you're approved. We're all set. Everything looks great. Let's get started. Yes, it is good news, but it's not the final news. Understandably, no mortgage loan officer wants to scare away customers, so they downplay the significance of one little clause buried in the application package. Loan is subject to underwriter review. And now begins the blizzard of paperwork, phone calls, deadlines, and stress. So many documents to assemble, so many forms to complete. So much mail going back and forth. Employers are contacted to verify income. Bank account statements are examined. And all along, the borrower wonders, is this really going to happen? Stress levels soar, and dollars flow from the buyer's bank account. There are application fees and appraisals to pay for, home inspections too. And if that wasn't enough, the borrower may be dealing with packing up their current home, transferring children to new schools, canceling utilities, and arranging new ones. More money streams from the buyer's pockets to the seemingly endless line of people with their hand out to get paid. All the while, a black cloud still hangs over the deal. There's that one last hurdle to overcome: all the paperwork. The mortgage application package still has to gain the approval of the one person who can kill or change the deal with the swoop of a pen. This all-powerful person is the most feared of everyone in the mortgage process chain: the underwriter. Even the name sounds ominous. The underwriter is the lender's last line of defense. The underwriter's job is to dot the I's and cross the T's to make sure the loan package meets every requirement set out by the lender. And if it doesn't, the underwriter has the authority to change the interest rate, require a larger down payment, or even cancel the loan entirely. If the deal goes bad at this point, it's usually because the mortgage loan originator missed something critical in the application process, something they probably wouldn't have missed if they were among the nation's top elite loan originators who offer a real guarantee to close their loans under the initially quoted terms. At this point, the originator goes back to the borrower to deliver the bad news. If it's a complete turndown, the borrower's plans for a new life come crashing down around them. But even a higher interest rate or a larger down payment requirement can squeeze the borrower beyond their ability to pay. And what about all the money spent to get this far? The application fees, the appraisal fees, maybe even the earnest money to secure their new home? What do they do now? Where will they live? How will they live? Sadly, there's no recourse with the originator. They'll simply drag out the magnifying glass and point out that the loan is subject to underwriter review. The real estate agent is left with an angry seller and a lost commission. The closing attorney or escrow company is left with a bill for their title work, lost time, and a stack of papers. Basically, everybody is all dressed up with nowhere to go. And what if it turns out that the borrower qualifies for a different mortgage than they were originally promised, or decides to switch to a new mortgage originator? The paper chase starts again, and even more money flows from the buyer's account. What a horror show! It's a nightmare that millions of people looking to buy a new home or refinance their existing mortgage face every year. But it doesn't have to be that way. Here's where the guaranteed mortgage quote saves the day. If the deal falls apart and the borrower did their part by maintaining and verifying the validity of information they provided to the lender, the buyer has two options available to them. Option 1. The borrower can choose to receive a guaranteed reduction in closing costs on a mortgage they actually qualify for. Option 2. The borrower can elect to receive the guaranteed payment in the form of a check to help offset the money they threw away and to compensate them for the stress and disappointment of being so close to a deal, only to have it yanked away at the last minute. But it's not likely that a borrower working with a guaranteed mortgage quote lender will ever have to see that check. That's because only the most professional and thorough mortgage lenders qualify to protect their customers through this program. And when borrowers trust their loan to mortgage companies of that caliber, it's rare to have any mistakes. Don't let the mortgage application process turn your dreams into a nightmare starring the underwriter monster. Review your guaranteed mortgage quote certificate for full details. And rest assured that you are protected by a real guarantee with real consequences for the mortgage company if you don't get the mortgage terms you were promised.